Hi, I'm Amber from Armour Tire Sealant, and today I'm going to show you how to install into a tire. For practical purposes, I've got a demonstration wheel, but you are going to leave all 4 tires on your vehicle throughout the entire install. Alright, so how would we actually get started? Okay, well firstly, we've got the valve cap over here. We're going to just remove that. And then part of every purchase, you get a valve tool remover, an applicator pipe, and then of course your pouch. It's important to notice that the pouch is meant for one tire per pouch. So we need to make sure that we get every single drop out of this pouch, and I'm going to show you how to do that now. So with your trusty valve tool remover, you're going to now want to take the inner core out. Alright, so these things are very slippery, and you can hear the air starting to come out. So it's important to note that you actually keep a good handle on this thing because it might shoot out like a bullet. I've lost many a valve tool in the tool by doing that. So just make sure that you get a good handle on it. Here it comes. Let it deflate. Alright, so this might happen while it's on your vehicle, but don't worry, it's supposed to happen. So all the air is supposed to come out before we can install. Make sure that you keep your inner core valve safe and sound, and it's easy to lose because they're quite small. What next? So you've got your pouch. Make sure that you've got the right size pouch for the right tire size. Check out our install page for more information. Right, and then you've got your applicator pipe. As you can see, there's one end that's flat and the other one that's pointy. So the flat end then goes onto your valve. So it's designed so that you can squeeze it on and then you screw it on. Righty-tighty, goes on all the way to the end so that it's nice and secure. Great, I'm happy with that. Next, you take your pouch, remove the lid, and the pointy end goes into the lid as far as possible. Simply turn it over, and you can see it start coming in. And I'm not giving it that much of a squeeze yet, and as you can see, it goes in quite effortlessly. Take your time, there's no rush. Make sure that you are getting everything into the tire from this pouch. Let's get nice and smooth. Make sure you get the bottom pieces, and then you can start rolling. And a nice trick that I do is then I bend this in half as well. Just do your best to try and get all of it in. And as you can see, when I unroll it, I've actually got the majority out. So all you do now is you do the valve first. So unscrew it the other way. And if you've got any mess, you can just wipe it with a cloth. You've got your inner valve and you simply put it back in. And you've got your valve tool remover. And you simply screw it back in. Make sure it's not too tight. Okay, well, all that's left to do after you put the valve core back in is to then inflate it to the right pressure. Put your valve cap back on and you're good to go.